that $100, just $100, could be the start of making $10,000 every single month. No crypto, no stocks, no gambling, just a simple system that anyone can set up this week. Stay with me for the next 5 minutes, because this will change how you think about money forever. Okay, step 1. Here's the secret most people don't know. There are platforms where you can buy professional digital services for incredibly low prices. I'm talking about SEO services for Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, and more. Now go to your browser and search for this. Then open any website you want. They all provide the same services. The only difference is the prices, so analyze them and choose the one you prefer. Now, after choosing the website you want, create your account and add some funds to it. Even just $10 for testing. Or, if you prefer, you can wait until you get your first client before adding funds. Then navigate to the New Order section and choose the social network service you want to start with, like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, etc. After that, choose the sub-service you want, such as followers, likes, views, comments, or shares. Compare the prices and pick the service you prefer. Next, paste your client's profile or post URL, enter the quantity you want, and place your order. Just make sure the client's profile is public, not private. Step 2. You need a professional website to look trustworthy and attract clients by showcasing your services. And the best part is, you don't need to know how to code, and you don't need to hire anyone. We're going to use Claude to build our website. All we need is a good, detailed prompt. You'll find the prompt in the description, and you can optimize or customize it however you want. After getting the prompt, go to Lovable, paste the prompt into the input section, and watch the AI build the website for you. And if you want to change anything, like colors or adding new services, just type it in Lovable, and the AI will update the website for you. If you don't understand anything in Lovable, I'll make a detailed video in the next episode. If you want that, comment Lovable in the description. Now the most important step is getting clients. The first method is Facebook and Instagram ads. Watch the video on my channel. It's a full detailed guide on how to run ads for any product or service. I'll also leave the ad posts I used in the description. Download them, watch the video, and run your own ads. The second method is free traffic. You can directly contact business owners, influencers, or normal users on social media and offer your service. Just make sure you have a professional-looking profile. So, let's recap the full system. Buy cheap digital services. Build your website. Get clients $100 to start. $10,000 a month potential. The only thing stopping you is starting. If you want a full detailed video on any of these steps, drop the name in the comments below. And if this video helped you, subscribe to Money Lab. See you in the next experiment.